Hi, I'm Justin Leonard from igus, and I want to show you something exciting on our website, which is the new virtual exhibition stand where we're displaying more than 100 new products for 2020. So if you go to our homepage, which is igus.co.uk, at the top you can see this grey bar. And here there is an arrow that says discover more than 100 new products at our virtual exhibition stand. So if you click on this, this will now open the virtual exhibition stand for you. You navigate this by using your left mouse button and dragging around to look around the room. And this looks and feels just like being at a real trade fair, real exhibition. And this is the idea for obvious reasons, where there are no trade fairs or exhibitions going on at the moment. And therefore, we're trying to give you the full experience of this and the opportunity to discover some of our new products for this year to increase technology and to reduce costs for your moving machinery. So the way this room is organised is in front of you here, and is also displayed to one side on the map. And the blue dots are the different stations with different products to look at, and the red dot is where you are and where you are looking. So the quadrant shows which direction you're looking in. You navigate around by either clicking on the blue arrow to move forward to the next station, or you can look at the map, and if you can see from the pictogram the sort of area that you want to go to, you can click on the blue dot and that will take you straight there. And once you're here, you can look around, as I said, by looking around with the left mouse key and sweeping around the room to look. You can also use your mouse scrolly wheel to zoom in and out and look at things more closely from here. In addition, there's 3 other bits of content which you can use. One is where you see a picture of a person holding a product. If you click on this, a video opens and somebody will explain about the
Hi,
product.
my name is Philip, and here we have our new hybrid chain. The hybrid chain is now available in 3 sizes, from 42, 56 and 82 millimeters.
So when you finish, click back to booth and this takes you back to where you are. The second type of content that you will see around you is a video play button, and this is the same a video, but this time rather than somebody explaining it, is the machine that you see on the stand, but you can actually now see it moving and see what it demonstrates. Again, when you finish, click back to booth. The third kind of content that you have available to you is when you look around and you see the little finger button come up, and that means there is some content there to look at about a particular product. Maybe you've zoomed in and seen something of interest to there. Click on this and this will now open the page on the website that gives you more information about that product. So there it is, the virtual exhibition. Hopefully it's as near a real exhibition as you can get, given the times that we're in. Gives you the chance to walk around, browse, have a look at the products, have some explanations from our engineering team, and hopefully you can enjoy that and find ways to save costs and improve technology for your moving machinery. Of course, as always, if you want more information, don't hesitate to give us a ring, to email us, to use the live chat you can see down at the bottom, and also we're available for virtual video calls anytime you like, and we can also engage with you actually on the booth here in a video call and explain more that is here. So please use this, find new things on here, talk to us, and we hope this is useful for you. Thank you.